Hello everyone, my name is Gian Estelano and I am here to answer some problems or scenarios that we can face or we can experience in our future teaching or field study, and answering it, those scenarios or problems, or supporting it by using competencies or teacher competencies in PN Health. So I choose this scenario number 1, which is entitled Managing Diverse Skills Level. So here's the scenario. During a grade 3 PE class, the teacher is conducting a ball throwing and catching activity. Some students easily perform the skill, while others struggles and become frustrated. A few students even stop participating because they feel embarrassed. So, me, as a teacher, first, ang gagawin ko po is, una, i-approach ko po yung mga students, especially the students na piniling mag-stop or stop participating. And I'm gonna ask them why. Why? Bakit sila na-frustrate? Ano bang nangyayari? Anong nararamdaman nila? Maybe first, it is about the instruction that I've given. Maybe hindi clear sa kanila yung mga steps na binigay ko on how to catch or to throw a ball. Or maybe the instrument that we're using, maybe the ball is the problem. Maybe some students find it so hard or so hard to catch, or maybe the small is so big or so small. Or maybe, tatanungin ko sila, baka naman may nararamdaman silang masama, kaya pinili nilang umistop, or they might feel sick, or some students, di ba, is may mga sakit. Ayun. So, after that, after asking them why they stop or feel frustrated, una po, isang gagawin ko is, bibigyan ko sila ng encouragement kung anong dapat na hindi dapat gano'n na umi-stop sila agad-agad. Maybe bibigyan ko sila ng mga tips kung paano pa catch or throw the ball, and maybe bigyan ko pa po sila ng mga positive feedbacks na kapag ginawa mo to, meron kang chips sa akin, meron kang reward sa akin. And also, bibigyan ko pa po sila ng mas clear instructions or step-by-step instructions para mas maintindihan pa nila yung gagawin nila. And also, maybe sa mga students, gusto nilang may mga partner. So, siguro ang gagawin ko po is pag-prepare po sila ng iba pong mga students to make the learning engage and encourage them to try until they succeed. So, this solution or answer is supported by the teacher's competency. So first, doon tayo sa 2 competencies na I feel like doon po ako nag-base ng answer. First is the affective. Affective because as we all know, affective is all about emotions or feelings of the students. So we as a teacher, we must know kung ano nga bang nararamdaman ng mga estudyante natin. So sa pamamagitan nun, of course, parang the students can feel encouragement or confidence para gawin po yung mga bagay na akala nila hindi nila kaya. Second po is psychomotor, or as we all know, psychomotor is about kinesthetic skills. And tayo bilang teacher, dapat tinuturuan natin sila kung paano, or mas kailangan turuan pa po natin sila kung paano pa mas mapapaayos yung activity nila on how to action easily, or how to perform easily, or how to perform nicely. And dun po, papasok din po dito yung pinag-aral natin na overview of 7 competencies. First po is, pumapasok din dito yung teaching skills. So, by teaching skills, mapapakita po natin sa mga estudyante natin na dapat clear po yung instruction na binibigay natin sa kanila. Second po is communication skills natin bilang teacher, na dapat kinakausap natin sila ng maayos, hindi yung pinapagalitan pa po natin sila. Third is the professionalism, na tayo po bilang teacher dapat pinapakita natin sa kanila na kayang-kaya nila gawin yung mga bagay na hindi nila kaya, na in-example rin dapat natin yung sarili natin. Dapat pinapakita natin sa kanila na tayo yung role model para sa kanila. Next po is health and safety. So, bakit ko po yun nasama? Kasi some students, dapat alam po natin na may ganito silang sakit na kailangan, alam po natin kung anong gagawin kapag may mga students na ganito, na dapat protektahan natin sila. Next po is inclusion and diversity, na dapat pinapakita natin sa kanila na sometimes may mga activity na hindi po sila makakapag-perform ng maayos or ng maayos agad, na dapat po mag-practice po sila ng mag-practice. And that's all for my answer about the problems or scenario number 1 entitled Managing Diverse Skill Levels.